Get your snuggies ready, it's about to go down! Everybody in this place, get your motherfucking snuggies! Get ready to move your arms freely! We run this, let's go! I'm in a snuggie! I'm in a snuggie! Everybody look at me!
Just give it a quick rev real quick.
I'm in a snuggie! I'm in a snuggie! Take a good hard look at the motherfucking snuggie! A word snuggie, motherfucker, take a look at me! It's like a blanket, but my snuggie's got two sleeves! Got my arms out, feeling all warm and fuzzy! You can't stop me, motherfucker, cause I'm in my snuggie! It's the trick! I wear a snuggie, bitch! It's got two sleeves, so my arms are big! I got my snuggie on!
Probably running too fucking rich. Give it a quick rev, dude.
I'm in my snuggie, motherfucker, don't you ever forget. Get the fuck up! This snuggie is for real! Fuck blankets, rock a snuggie, motherfucker! No hands strapped inside, motherfucker! I look like a monk, motherfucker! Ultrasound.
Should I go here?
Just make it right. Don't like torture it. Let's make it boost. I see it. The gauge went up. Made like 4 psi. If you want to do a pull, we can go up on a highway. Don't do it here. Do it like in 3rd gear, and I'll watch the gauge and I'll tell you to let off if it's like too much. And you'll have to just, I mean, the car's running, so it smells like shit, but
Am I going here?
make it right.
Right here?
Yeah, right here. This, yeah. Alright, you're good. Alright, dude, take it easy.
That pulls.
Yeah, it's good, man. It's making like 5 psi, and it was like 10, 12. It's too lean there. You're gonna get off here. Get some fuel down low though, for like an initial boost. All right, take it easy, dude. It's working now.
Just accelerate.